Your age, income, gender, location, and race plays no factor in your credit scores. A credit score, which is calculated from information gathered on your consumer credit report, says a lot how you handle credit. However, it does not include everything about your financial life. There is a whole bunch of personal information that you never have to worry about being factored into your credit score. Here is a look at some of the things you will not see on your credit report. Your credit report does not contain information about your gender, race, religion, national origin, marital status, political affiliation, medical history, criminal record, or whether you receive public assistance. More importantly, none of this personal information affects your credit score. Other personal information, such as your salary or occupation, also will not appear on your credit report and has no direct bearing on your scores.